Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix no audio devices installed error notification while I try to tap the audio icon in my Windows 11 laptop and the audio icon is grayed out, so I can't increase or decrease audio guys. Let's fix it guys. For that, go to search menu and type troubleshoot. Click on open it guys, troubleshoot setting. Select other troubleshooters and select the audio troubleshoot to run guys. Follow the instruction and click on continue guys. Click on yes and continue it. Hopefully your problem will be solved at this point guys. You can also try updating your audio driver guys. For that, right click on the start icon, select device manager, expand the audio input and output section, and right click on the speaker and select update driver guys. Select search automatically for drivers, and the best drivers for your device are already installed. You can also check search for updated drivers on Windows Update. Click on it guys. You just need to click on check for update, and if anything listed over here you just want to download and install it guys, it will be asked for you to restart guys. After restarting, hopefully your problem will be resolved. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.